shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cowerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for August 12th, 2020. We are going to start with the SPY. Guess what we got yesterday? We got a very large dark pool level. That's right, you guys. We got a new one. It's in bolded right here. 335.45. This is so key to watch today. So here we go. We got this, first of all, we got this bearish engulfing candle. But the late prints came on this day. So right now we are currently 10 cents below it, bearish, right? If we close below it, bearish. If we close above it, still bullish. Yep, it's a line in the sand, but it's been a while since we got a new one. Now, if the big guys are selling at the top, it takes them a while to do that. So let's just go level to level. But we did have a very large new Levi level on the Qs as well that I'll talk to you about in just a moment. But today's whispers, bullish above 336.50 and bear below 333.75. All right, those are key levels to watch for the SPY. Let's head on over to the E-minis. Bullish above 33.62.50 and bear below 33.40. Still in between those levels. The Russell we really didn't get too much on, but we'll be bullish above 159.25 and bear below 157.50. Let's head on over to the QQQs. Bullish above 270.50 and bear below 266.50. This new level, 270.23, 3.8 million. Yep, came in pretty heavy, and that was from 2 days ago. Yeah, from August 10th. And we are below those levels. All right, so that is bearish right now. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish only above 11,000 and bear below 10,900. Let's head on over to the oil futures. Let's go to the oil futures. Hold on a minute. All right, what's going on with oil? Let's go just check out that weekly chart. And yep, we're still underneath these trend lines here. Yep, it's only Wednesday. We'll see what they do with this candle by the end of the week. But today we are going to be bullish above 42.60. And we're going to be bearish. That's above this R1 level. And we're going to be bearish below 41.87. Yeah, if we go below the pivot. It just looks like a lot of volume just came in too. Yep. So watch those levels. Let's go to the gold futures. All right, gold futures. Let's just go to a weekly chart. Look at the big picture. All right, we've come down and it's trying to hammer. We don't know how the week is going to end though. Yeah, they love to wait till Friday to paint this candle. Yet they make it look like something, and then right at the end, they change it. So yeah, I always know to watch right until the end on Friday. Bullish above 1950. And just watch out for this pivot about 1957. There's a retracement trade. And then bear below 1920 for the gold futures. All right, let's head on over to, let's look at JETS. Yeah, how many of you had no idea this ETF existed? Sure, there's a couple of you. All right, Patty didn't know. Yeah, well, it does. And when we get big prints on it, we get big moves on the airlines. Yeah, you see they were selling up here. See the big volume spike here? Yep. They sold at the top, and it looks like there's lots of volume coming in here. So are they buying at the bottom here? Well, follow the prints. 1824. Almost 1 million shares, which is a lot for this. So this ETF trades about maybe 3 million, 2 million a day. Yeah, 2 to 3. So that's a pretty large trade in one big block. So 1824, key level to watch. It's going to splash around a little bit, but after a couple days, we'll be pretty sure direction. But let's go ahead and trade the top holdings. American Airlines has a lot of volume this morning. Bullish above 1450. So you can see we came up to this 15 level yesterday and pulled all the way back down. And today we're rising up a little bit. So if we can break above 1450, I like it on the bullish side. However, going to be bearish below 14 for AAL. Let's go to Carnival. Bullish above 1650. Yeah, so it came up and hit its head on the 50 and the 120 right here. Yep, let's see if we can break above that today. Bullish above, bear below 1587. Let's head on over to silver. Silver was one of the hottest stocks on the whisper yesterday to the downside. You can see it's gone down even more this morning, but popped back up again. Yeah, it's a wild one. Yep, we are going to be bullish above 2475, right, above the 4 and the 8. And I'm going to be bearish below 2375. We are there right now. Actually, we went down and hit a couple targets after I posted that. And now we're retesting it. Yep, so definitely watch. Yeah, watch that level there. Yep, looks like it's resistance. Look at that, you guys. Short sale restriction on silver. I don't think we've ever really seen that, right? Yeah, that's kind of crazy. 1 million. So you guys cannot do more than 1 million. All right, Otis, take it easy over there. Yeah, only 1 million. Let's go to NEO. But yeah, right? That's a new one. Something's going on there. All right, let's go to NEO. We're going to be bullish above 14. Had earnings yesterday, and yeah, they did not like the earnings at the end of the day. It flopped down. Kind of stuck, right? In between the 20 simple and the 4 EMA and the 8 EMA. Yeah, this is like the worst place to trade it. So we're going to be bullish if it could break above 14, and we're going to be bearish below 13. Yeah, we'll see. But really, I want to say 1250 is a much easier place to short this. It might, yeah, it may have a little bit of an algo battle in there. All right, let's go to Jumia. JMIA. Yeah, not looking good this morning. We are bearish below 1325. Yep, we've already gone below that level. Only going to be bullish above 15. All right, for Jumia. Let's go to, IAU. Let's talk about gold a little bit more. So we are currently, these are the dark pool prints on IAU. We're testing this one right now. Let me just bold that. Yeah, 1847. We're below 2 of these guys, and we're above all these. If we go below 1847 today, yep. Look out. Yep. We'll probably go a little bit further down to the 30 simple moving average here for IAU. However, I highly suggest you trade GDX. Yeah, much better to trade this. We're going to be bearish below 39.50 and bull above 40.50. If it can pull itself up above 40.50, we could have a retrace to the 4 EMA or the 8 EMA. All right, there's a gap in here. So we'll see which direction it wants to go. Tesla announcing a, 4-for-1 stock split coming up. Anybody have a date on that? On the Tesla? Oh, May 1st. Pinky, you win the prize there. Pinky's fast on the trigger. May 1st? Oh, 5-for-1. Oh, sorry. It's a 5-for-1. Sorry, it's August. Oh boy, sorry guys. August 31st. Oh, that's, you guys don't have to wait too long. I know a lot of them trade this, so you guys are pretty excited. Yeah. So I don't know if the pattern is going to happen, but back in the 90s, yep, I was trading back in the 90s. When stocks announced that they were going to do a stock split, they ran up before the split happened. So wondering if that's going to happen this time. It looks like a bull flag. Yep. On the daily chart, and here's that pole. So let's just look from about 1,000 to 14, so 400 bucks. If we can break out here, so 15 to about 1,900. Yeah, so let's watch that for the swing trade. Yep, pre-earnings, pre-split. Yeah, we'll see if that happens. Level to level. Today, though, we're going to be bullish above 1475 and bear below 1440. All right, let's move to the next one. We got UAL. Yep, so John L. called us out in the Java pit. Yep, so I'm going to be bullish above 38.25 for UAL. Yeah, the reason I picked that level is we have this 200 moving average. It's going to move a little bit. Just, yeah, if you're going to go in, make sure we're above it, okay? I picked 38.25 to give it a little bit of room there. But if it does move up, make sure you don't enter right before it. That's really key. And I'm going to be bearish below 36.50 for UAL. Let's move on to Apple. Apple had a massive print, you guys. Holy cow. 1.9 million. That's big. We haven't seen a big print in a while on Apple. Way below we did, and they were buying. So let's see what's going on. We are below it right now. 448. Splash. So a lot of times we get these big prints, and they splash. So let's see if we are splashing or if they are selling at the top. So be prepared. If it does go above 448, I'm going to be bullish above 448.50. And that was the splash. However, if it goes below 439.80, if it closes below this 8 EMA, look out below. All right, so be prepared on both sides. Let's go to Wells Fargo. Yep, we're going to be bullish above 26. We're coming up there right now. And we're going to be bear below 25.50. Yeah, the only thing I can see above here, look, we're above massive prints. The only thing that can stop us are these 1, 2, 3 moving averages. Yep, unfortunately, computers are programmed to sell there, so it could get a little choppy action here. But if it does go above 27, their sky is clear to 28. All right, so 27.56 is my high end. Yep, so we'll see what happens with Wells Fargo, but bear below 25.50. Let's go to Mr. Softy. Had a massive 3.6 million print. Perhaps somebody knows something about whether or not they're going to do that deal with TikTok, right? Somebody always knows something. Bullish above 207.50 because the print was at 207.21. We've splashed down. Bearish below 204.50. Now, if we lose the 50 simple moving average, you guys, that's when things will get ugly. All right, I do have a 194 low end target on that if that happens. All right, 194 and change. Okay, that's it, you guys. Those are the whispers for August 12th. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.